आमी सध्या आसा कावंटींग स्टेशन जे श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी आसा थंय आमच्या वांगडा आसा करिना शिरोडकर वॉर्ड 8चे विनर जे बाबूश पॅनलाचेर आशिल्ले. करिना कशें दिसता इलेक्शन दिसा आमी तुका मेळ्ळेले तूं स्ट्रेस्ड आशिल्लें मातशें दिसतालें तोंडार आनी ताज्या मागीर आयचो दीस आसा कशें कितें फील जाता.
ते स्ट्रेस आणि नर्वसनेस असतात इवन स्पेशली फर्स्ट टाइम इलेक्शन आय एम contesting for the first time, so that nervousness and stress was there, but today I'm very happy and actually I'm very grateful to my voters, to my ward members who have stuck with me and helped me through this entire election process. So yeah, I'm very happy.
ओके करिना तुका आमी पयला नॅशनल गेम्साच्या टायमार तुका पयला तुवें नवो स्पोर्टान तूं एंटर करून तुका गोल्ड मेडल मेळ्ळेलें फॉर नॅशनल गेम्स तें तुज्या खातीर नवें आशिल्लें. सद्या आमी पळयता CCP इलेक्शनान कावन्सिलर जावप तुज्या खातीर नवें आसा. सो जेन्ना तूं कावन्सिलर जाता थंयसरूय तूं गोल्ड मेडल हाडटलें काय कशें कितें तुगेलें फुडें वाटचाल आसतली.
I think my first timers are a charm for me. But yes, I will work for my ward members. I will work for the Panjakars. I will make sure that their basic issues, whatever is in our jurisdiction, we will look up to it and yes, be there for our citizens.
वॉर्ड नंबर 8 खंयचे मेजर इश्यूज शे दिसता तुका.
Ward number 8 and major issue, especially Miramar area, the security issue ashillo, which me and the mayor have already started our work. Before the elections, before the nominations had started, we had already taken meetings uh, with the people of that area, and yeah, we have taken into consideration whatever issues they have. For example, the Swiggy people, just randomly park. So we have taken small issues. We have taken into consideration already.
ओके सो जी लीड आयल्या ती एक्सपेक्टेड आशिल्ली काय अशें दिसता कमी आसा चड आसा कितें दिसता.
Actually, I am very surprised with the lead, but I knew I would get a lead. It's not that I didn't, but hey, it is more than I expected.
ओके सो काम केन्नाच्यान चालू जातलें तुजें.
Ashton. But yes, we will start once everyone this thing is done. We will start. All of us will combine forces together for a progressive Panjim. We will work together and start our work.
ओके फर्स्ट टायम रावप आनी अशें निवडून येवप कोणाक श्रेय दितलें तूं.
Uh, of course, my voters who have supported me, and my family for backing me with whatever I want to do. They have always supported me. They have never said no. And yes, I would like to take this opportunity and thank our Honorable Minister, Sir Babush Monserrat, our party president, Sir Damu Naik, and the Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, for having faith in me and giving me this opportunity to contest the CCP elections.